Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the professionalizing your automation by reporting and logging. So consider a scenario: your tests have finished running and your manager asks for a summary of the results. So but you only have the console output to show. The solution is integrated a dedicated reporting library like Extend Reports or Allure to generate the detailed and visual HTML reports. So complement this with a logging framework like Log4j or SLF4j to capture the step-by-step execution details. So consider an analogy. Think of it like a building security system. So the report is the high-level summary for the security guard, what passed and what failed, and while the logs are detailed CCTV footage that shows exactly when and how an incident occurred. So example of an integration. So log output like log4j2 provides a granular real-time feed what your script is doing. So like info, like error, warn, and different log levels. So like info starting login test and info navigating to login page and info entering the username and password and error login button is not found. So under report action like extend reports, your test code would include the lines where to communicate with the report. So like test.log status dot pass successful and the test.log status fail and could not find login button. So like this we can mention in the action reports. So tips logs are indispensable for the debugging, and while when a test fails in a CI/CD pipeline, the log file is often the first and only place to look to understand what went wrong. So conclusion like no reports means no proof of testing, and professional reports and detailed logs are essential for the demonstrating the test coverage and tracking results over time and diagnosing the failures efficiently. So common questions we can expect like what is the key difference between the logging and reporting? So reporting is for the summarizing the test outcomes like pass and fail for all the stakeholders. So logging is for the capturing the detail and chronological execution steps, and which is mainly used for the by the testers and developers for the debugging purpose. So why use the libraries like Allure or Extend reports instead of TestNG default reports? A dedicated libraries create much richer and more interactive and visual appealing HTML reports. So they offer features like historical trend charts and step-by-step execution details and easy integration of screenshots, and which the basic TestNG report does not provide.